So we're heading to this property I just bought in Round Rock, and they should be having the floors down. They're going to be done by day after tomorrow, which will be Saturday. So we got to shoot a little bit of molding around the base. I didn't pull up all of the baseboard for this one. Some of it they were able to kerf and slip underneath, but we'll have to shoot some in the bedrooms. I'm trying to knock this out very quickly. Like I say, if I have this house ready Monday, that'll be 1 week that I've owned the property, and it's right back on the market. This property I paid $325 for, and Zillow showed it last time I looked at $476. I shouldn't say it last time. I think I looked at it, showed it $469, and it was $476 the day that I bought it. So it would appear to be trending down as far as Zillow goes, which is not the, it's not the absolute word on real estate by any means, but it is a source that should be looked at. That and Redfin, Zillow's fantastic source, not just for information, but it's great for using for your rentals. If you have rentals, houses, I think it's a great place to start. If you're a new investor, they've just got some great tools in there. I still even use them for the residential stuff. Anyways, next up, the new house. All right, so we're just getting into the neighborhood. You can see pretty decent house. There's a lot of 2 stories in here. It's a single-story house, but it's the one that I just bought, 2,544 square feet. You can see it's this corner place right here. They tore out the branch. You can see we cleaned out the front there. I had a dumpster in the driveway for a couple days. They got an HOA here. I didn't even want to ask whether they even allow that, but I just dropped it on a Monday, filled it, and had it hauled away on a Wednesday. So this looks good. So they removed this so you can see the house. I'm going to take a couple snapshots here where I see problems. You can see the shutters coming down off the front here. I want to make sure my guys address that. They had some hanging plants. Get rid of those chains. They've already got a good jump on the flooring. You can see they've got their floor spreader, leveler. They've already gone back in the bedrooms here. How's it going, Junior? So this is the same floor I put in the last place. It's kind of just a tan. 10-foot ceilings, $325,000. They're showing. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, start getting the skills. Go to FlipAnythingUSA.com. See all the new millionaires that have been created under my tutelage as their mentor. It's never too late, but you got to start. In 476, 469 last time I looked at it, so it dropped, according to Zillow. I'm not going to do hardly anything to this. This house is not that old, and it looks pretty darn good to me. You can see in the kitchen. Oh, my guys did a great job here. This was worn out. So my guys got a new piece of siding on here, and you can see they've got it stained to match pretty good. So cabinets look good. They textured and fixed a couple of blemishes that were on the property. And we got our painter back here. Hey, Leo, how's it going? Good. All right, man, looks good. Did he tell you to paint everything white?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Actually, we're gonna paint everything white. Just knock it out, nice clean shell. The tile we were having trouble trying to find a matched tile. And so we tore it out through most of the house. And I can see down here, I don't know why, but we have a couple tiles here that are kind of damaged. I don't know what the hell unless my guys cut this here. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe they're gonna hide this with a transition strip, but that's not looking too good. Huh, let's ask the flooring guy. This transition, it looks like it got cut in the wrong spot and then filled. I just wondered, this right here, please.
It's the tape they had there.
Oh, that's tape?
Yeah, this is a great tape. I guess it was like wrap. They had a wrap and they had like a wheelchair.
Look at that. It looks just like the garage, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it does look like that. I thought the same thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oops, they cut it in the wrong place.
All right, well, that's problem solved. Thank you. And it's funny, every bathroom, every toilet has a, maybe they took it off this one, but it has like a little optional personal sprayer in line. But it doesn't look like it's hooked up to the hot water, so I'm not sure how good that would be. Anyways, yeah, looks good. So this is all I need to see. We're gonna head back home. All right, this is the most recent investment house. Paid $325,000 for this place. It shows about a $476,000 value. It had just needed some minor touch-ups. When they poured the slab for this place, they didn't put any steel reinforcement, so it was fractured and broken. And that happens a lot. But we re-poured it this morning, loaded with steel, good and strong like it should have been from the very beginning. So, it's just, you gotta remember, a house, the concrete, the sidewalk or the driveway, it's kind of like framing the picture. And so you don't want to have a shitty frame. And so, you know, it cost me $5 to pour this little slab, and I'm sure it's well worth it. So let's go in and take a look. We should have new floors, new paint. Painted looks nice, looks clean. New floors, that looks great. And you can see, look at the high ceilings. This really is a fantastic house for $325,000. It was really a steal. Miguel here's cutting crown molding for the master bedroom. It's the last touch-up we got to do here. So you can see in here, we shot crown molding around the kitchen. Kind of made it look a little prettier. With these high ceilings, it's always nice. This in here, I would have done it, but we got too many compound angles, so it's just not worth messing with. But it's pretty. Look at that. It's just a really good layout. This is a 2,544 square foot house. Pretty large house. All right. We got here, they're just finishing up. So they'll caulk this thing, fill the holes, paint the trim, and this place will be ready for pictures. I guess we're going to go ahead and spend another $800, and we're going to put blinds. Now, you know, the windows are actually, they're dual glazed, but they're not like super quality dual glazed. And so they'll look a hell of a lot prettier with blinds rather than somebody look through kind of a rough window. So we'll go ahead and spend the $800 on that. You might remember these were kind of rusty looking if you look at the video I showed you when we were here the other day. So these are new trim around. The mirrors are actually decent, but they had that rough, flaky stuff around the outside edges. So we just trimmed it to hide that, and you know, and still looks nice. The other thing we were debating is putting shower doors. This place is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath. I'm sorry, 3-bath, 4-bedroom. This is going to be an easy $100,000. I wish they were all this easy. So this actually looks better. This is onyx, you know, cultured marble. I'm not going to replace it. I just don't think I get the bang for the buck for doing it. Now, $700 I can put in a sliding glass door here, or I can get a cheapie for $300. I'm debating on doing anything. We can put a shower curtain here, and maybe that'll be good enough. But we have 2 bathrooms like that to cover. Let's take a look at the garage real quick. Yeah, so the floor had been painted. It's kind of rough. I think I'll go ahead and paint this new just so it looks super pretty. Probably costs $500 with labor. So we'll go ahead and paint this floor, and we'll throw those little flakes down, make it look a little prettier. This place is ready. The yard, I tore out a lot of bushes that were kind of blocking, obstructing the front of the house. The neighbors got their yards looking pretty good. I wish this grass was a little better. Not a lot. So we'll fix this up best we can. Maybe I'll even bring some sod over. Yeah, maybe I'll just go ahead and spend $400, get a pallet or 2 of sod, and we'll throw that down. Just because the green, like I said, talk about framing the picture again, right? We're not going to worry about the concrete drying and brushing and that sort of thing, but I will give you an update because I expect this to sell within the month and make over $100,000. And those are the numbers that you should be interested in. And this is the kind of experience that I bring to the table. And this is what I like to show you guys that are interested in investing in real estate. You know, I buy land, houses, commercial, industrial, retail, strip centers. You know, I've got a beautiful retail strip center not far from here. That's it. So I had to stop by this job for the end of the day, but take a look. All this dirt that washes out of the trees has been hitting this limestone for many years. This has just been power washed. Look how pretty this is. All this stuff was, you know, damn near black. So look, you want to learn about real estate, how to make money, commercial real estate, industrial, apartment buildings, houses, land, small lots, acreage, farms, trailer parks, food parks. I've done it all, and I've been doing it for 43 years, and the last 3.5 years, I've been teaching people how to make money the same way I have. And in 3.5 short years, I have people that are 10,000-aires, 100,000-aires, millionaires, and even multi-millionaires. Go to FlipAnythingUSA.com. You can see the different options. Go to the mentorship page, fill that out, and or just, you know, I sign a lot of people on Sundays, so I do talk to people a lot on Sundays. If you go to FlipAnythingUSA.com/schedule, you can schedule a call with me and I'll talk to you for free. No pressure. But certainly if you're on the fence, you're thinking about doing something with anybody else, there's so many fake gurus out there. Don't want you to get swindled. Talk to me first before you make your decision. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. Been a bestseller on Amazon, Audible, and Kindle. People love it, and you will too. See you later.